For the front end, I am going to use VS Code, and for the back end, I am going to use PyCharm. Let me start with the front end. To develop an application using npx create React app, I'll go to the terminal and there I'll use npx create React app and I'll call it Pixagram front end. It will take some time. In the meantime, I'm going to the backend where I'm going to use a new project and the name will be Pixagram Backend.
Front-end and back-end projects have been created in their respective IDE. I'm going to close VS Code at this moment because I'm going to work completely on the backend. After completion of the backend authentication and registration system, I'll move forward toward the React.js frontend. I'm going to install Django, pip install Django. I shall start a new Django project by utilizing the command Django admin start project, and name of the project will be Pixagram API. New project has been created. Here we can see new project has been created here. I'm going inside the recently created project in the Django. That will be Pixagram API. I have entered in that project. Now there is a file called manage.py which will manage everything inside this project. I'm going to utilize command py manage.py to start a new app inside this project. I'm going to name this app as authentication. Now I am going into the setting.py file of the main project where there is a portion called install apps. I'm going to install authentication app inside this portion. Now I shall install Django REST framework. How can I do that? By using these commands. It is official website of Django REST framework where the installation method is given. I'm going to copy paste the command pip install Django REST framework. Django REST framework package has successfully been installed. Now I am going to install few more things which is mentioned on the official website of the Django REST framework, that is pip install markdown, and other one is Django filter. And I'm going to install REST framework in the installed apps, just like I have listed down the authentication app in the installed app portion of the Pixagram project. Let me copy it and paste it here.